Well, okay. New person. This is Fiji water. And it's very good for you. Well, it's very good. My name is Annabelle, and I love to drink Fiji. I don't really like the water. I love the name, but Fiji.
It's good for the heart and good for the fart.
Okay, well, we're here in the Fiji Island. Fiji, wow. See how Fiji has changed my life. Okay, now. Sorry, she just had to throw up. Maybe not too good for her heart, but it's a cool name, Fiji. Buy it at your local stores.